Welcome to APQC's Resource Library, a collection of research-based best practices, benchmarks and metrics, case studies, and other resources including tools, templates, and on-demand webinars. Please note, access to resources found in the Resource Library will vary depending on your type of membership. If you find a resource you think you should have access to or have any questions about your membership, please contact us by clicking on the menu button at the top right and submitting a Contact Us form or reaching out directly to your Member Success Manager. In this demo, we'll be reviewing two things. The first is how to navigate the Resource Library to find what you're looking for, and the second is an overview of the types of resources you will find. Let's get started. The first way to navigate the Resource Library is by browsing and filtering. You can browse by topics that include more than 70 process areas covered by APQC research. These are the highest level areas, and when you click on each of them, they'll expand to more specific areas. APQC content takes on several formats, including articles, case studies, recorded webinars, and podcasts. If you're looking specifically for best practices or framework-related content, you can filter by what the content contains. Finally, industry filters help you focus on resources that contain benchmark data and practices, or are case study examples specific to an industry. That covers how to browse and filter in the Resource Library. The second way to navigate is by keyword search. You can use any word or phrase you're interested in. Like other search tools, if you put quotation marks around the phrase, that will greatly narrow your search and provide more direct access to the content you're looking for. Now let's take a look at what you will find in the Resource Library. The main results page of any search or browse activity will contain articles, reports, case studies, tools, and on-demand webinars related to your search. The majority of the content you'll find is proprietary to APQC and is based on our primary research. In your search results, you'll notice collections, and collections are just that, groups of resources that either align with a very specific topic, are deliverables from a research project, or are part of a series. For most searches, you'll find a section at the bottom of your search results page with Measure Spotlight results. Measure Spotlights are performance measures from APQC's Open Standards benchmarking database that are related to your search. The Open Standards benchmarking database is a database of more than 3 million data points for more than 5,600 measures that help organizations benchmark process performance related to cost, cycle times, efficiency, and productivity across the enterprise. Each Measure Spotlight provides information about the measure, the definition, the scope, the category, and sample size, and gives you the opportunity to interact with the data. The graph you see represents real-time data. Our database is updated nightly, and you're able to view the data for different peer groups, including industry, organization revenue, and region. Simply select the peer group you're interested in, and the graph will update. Note that, like the content in the rest of the Resource Library, which measures and how much data you're able to view depends on your membership type. Whether you're looking for articles, case studies, or benchmarking data, if you can't find it in the Resource Library, you can ask us. On the Resource Library homepage, and at the top of every search results page, you'll see a button for Ask Us. This is a members-only service where you can submit a question or a search request, and we'll do the searching and curating for you. To use this service, you have to be logged into the APQC website. Simply enter your question or request, select the topic it most closely aligns with, and submit. We'll get back to you within 2 to 3 business days with relevant resources if we have them. Thanks so much for taking the time to learn about APQC's Resource Library. If you have any questions or suggestions for improvement, please contact your organization's Member Success Manager or send an email to membership@apqc.org.